Most people think investing in AI means buying more stocks like Nvidia or Google. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? AI ETFs let you invest in the entire AI revolution without worrying about picking the right stock. And some of these funds have already delivered over 50% annual returns. AI is changing everything: how we work, how we live, and most importantly, how we build wealth. But here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't just a technology shift. It's one of the biggest financial opportunities of our lifetime. Think about this. Back in the 1990s, the internet boom turned regular people into millionaires. Companies like Amazon, Google, and eBay exploded in value. The ones who got in early made life-changing money. Well, history is repeating itself. AI is the new internet boom. It's transforming industries, healthcare, finance, automation, and even entertainment. But investing in AI stocks isn't easy. Which company will dominate? No one knows for sure. That's where AI ETFs come in. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in a basket of AI leaders. This means less risk, more growth, and a smarter way to invest. In this video, I'll show you the top 7 AI ETFs for 2025. These funds have massive potential, and some have delivered over 50% annual returns. If you're looking for a simple way to invest in AI's explosive growth, stick around. Chapter 1: The AI Investment Boom. Facts and Market Trends. AI has gotten in healthcare, diagnosing diseases faster than doctors. It's in finance, detecting fraud in seconds. It's in factories, replacing human labor with intelligent automation. And the numbers? They're massive. The AI market was worth $207 billion in 2023. But by 2030, it's expected to hit $1.8 trillion. That's nearly 9 times growth in just a few years. Investors are rushing in. AI stocks are skyrocketing. Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google have already soared. But picking the right stock? That's a bit tricky. What if you invest in the wrong one? What if the market shifts? That's a real risk. That's why AI ETFs are a smarter choice. They let you invest in the entire AI revolution, not just one company. Less risk, more potential. And some ETFs are delivering insane returns. Chapter 2: Criteria for choosing the best AI ETFs. Not all AI ETFs are the same. Some deliver big returns, while others barely keep up with the market. So, how do you pick the right one? First, performance matters. Look at the historical annual return. Some AI ETFs have delivered over 50% per year. That is way higher than most traditional investments. Second, holdings are key. The best AI ETFs invest in industry leaders: Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, and more. These are the companies driving real AI innovation. Third, expense ratio. Fees might seem small, but over time, they eat into your profits. The lower, the better. Next, check liquidity and assets under management, or AUM. Bigger funds are more stable. They're backed by more investors and handle market swings a lot better. Finally, growth potential. AI is still in its early stages. The right ETF could grow exponentially in the next decade. Chapter 3: The top 7 AI ETFs for 2025. Alright, now let's get into the top AI ETFs for 2025. These funds are carefully selected based on our criteria that we just talked about. Let's start with number 7. Number 7. Robo Global Robotics and Automation ETF. Ticker ROBO. This ETF focuses on AI-driven automation and robotics. It's not just about AI software. It invests in companies building intelligent machines that power industries. Top holdings include ABB, Fanuc, and NVIDIA. These companies are leaders in factory automation, self-learning robots, and AI-powered industrial systems. The fund has delivered an 18.5% annual return, which is strong but slightly lower than others on this list. However, it's less volatile, making it a safer choice for long-term investors. If you believe in a future where robots handle manufacturing, logistics, and even surgery, this ETF gives you diversified exposure. Let's move on to number 6. Number 6. First Trust Nasdaq AI and Robotics ETF, ticker ROBT. This ETF takes AI investing a step further. It focuses on AI-driven automation, cloud computing, and advanced robotics. Its top holdings include NVIDIA, AMD, Microsoft, and Intuitive Surgical, companies pushing AI innovation across multiple industries. With an annual return of 19.2%, it's slightly ahead of ROBO. But what makes it unique? It blends AI software, semiconductor chips, and robotics, giving you exposure to the full AI ecosystem. The expense ratio is reasonable, and its performance has been consistent. If you're looking for a balanced AI and robotics fund, this one is worth considering. Now, let's talk about AI ETFs with even bigger returns. Number 5. AI-powered equity ETF, ticker AIEQ. This ETF is unique because it's powered by AI itself. It uses IBM Watson to analyze data and make investment decisions, removing human emotion from the equation. Top holdings: NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla, some of the biggest AI players. The fund has delivered a 20.05% annual return, making it one of the stronger performers. The biggest advantage? AI is doing the stock picking based on massive amounts of real-time data. For investors who want a data-driven, automated investment strategy, this ETF is a solid pick. Now, let's move to a fund with even better growth numbers. Number 4. iShares Future AI and Tech ETF, ticker ARTY. This ETF focuses on AI, robotics, and generative AI, the technologies shaping the future. Unlike broad tech ETFs, ARTY targets companies that are essential to AI development. It invests in NVIDIA, Broadcom, Arista Networks, and Verve Holdings, companies that provide AI chips, cloud computing, and infrastructure for AI systems. With a 22.11% annual return, it's outpacing the first 3 ETFs on this list. Plus, it has a low expense ratio, 0.47%, meaning you keep more of your profits. If you want exposure to AI infrastructure and hardware, this ETF is a great option. But now, let's talk about an ETF that dives in deeper into AI innovation. Number 3. Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, ticker AIQ. AIQ is a well-rounded AI ETF that covers both AI creators and AI adopters. It invests in companies that build AI and those that use AI to transform industries. The top holdings include NVIDIA, Amazon, Google, and Netflix. This means exposure to AI hardware, cloud computing, and AI-powered digital platforms. The fund has an impressive 28.9% annual return. That's stronger than most tech funds. However, it has a slightly higher expense ratio at 0.68%, but the returns make up for it. If you want an ETF that captures the full AI revolution, from software to applications, this one delivers. But the next 2 ETFs, they're on another level. Number 2. Roundhill Generative AI and Tech ETF, ticker CHAT. CHAT is one of the first ETFs dedicated to generative AI, the AI behind tools like ChatGPT, AI art, and deep learning systems. It invests in companies leading the AI revolution, including OpenAI partners, cloud AI firms, and automation technology leaders. What makes it stand out? It's actively managed, meaning a team of professionals adjusts its holdings based on AI trends. That flexibility helps it capture new AI breakthroughs before the market catches on. With a 36.5% annual return, this ETF has outperformed most others. AI-driven automation is booming, and this fund is positioned right in the center of it. But there's one ETF that beats them all. Number 1. ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ticker ARKQ. This is the fastest growing AI ETF on the market. It focuses on autonomous AI, robotics, and AI-driven industries like self-driving cars and automated manufacturing. Top holdings include Tesla, NVIDIA, UiPath, and Trimble, companies leading the automation revolution. And the performance? Insane. This fund has delivered a 54.7% annual return, one of the highest among AI ETFs. The reason? It's aggressively managed by ARK Invest, meaning it shifts investments toward the fastest growing AI opportunities. If you want maximum AI exposure and high risk, high reward potential, ARKQ is the ETF to watch. Now, let's compare AI ETFs to traditional savings and see why AI is the future of investing. Chapter 4. Comparing traditional savings versus AI ETFs. Here's a quick face-off. What happens if you leave your money in a savings account? Most banks offer around 4% interest per year. That means if you put $30,000 in a savings account, you'll earn just $1,200 per year. At that rate, it would take over 15 years to double your money. Now, compare that to AI ETFs. Some of the best ones, like ARKQ, have delivered over 50% annual returns. At that rate, your money could double in less than 2 years. The difference is clear. AI ETFs don't just preserve your money, they multiply it. So, we've covered the top 7 AI ETFs for 2025. Some offer steady growth, while others have the potential to double your money fast. So, which one interests you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you want more AI investment insights, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Want to learn how to turn $100,000 into millions using passive investing? Click the video on your screen now.